Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking about one of the most powerful home audio systems on the planet, the Nakamichi Dragon Home Surround Sound System. And before we dive in, make sure to hit the link below to grab this monster setup at the best discounted price today. Fire emoji, design and build. The Dragon isn't just a soundbar, it's a complete home theater system. With its premium build quality and sleek design, it instantly takes your entertainment setup to a whole new level. It's big, bold, and it means business. Musical note emoji, unmatched audio power. This is the world's first 11.4.6 soundbar system, and yes, you heard that right. You're getting 11 discrete channels, 4 subwoofers, and 6 upfiring speakers for a truly cinematic, 360 degrees sound experience. Explosions rumble, voices are crystal clear, and the surround effects are insanely immersive. With Dolby Atmos and DTS X Pro, you're not just watching movies, you're inside them. Every detail, from whispers to thunder, comes alive in your room. High voltage sign emoji, AVR-level processing. What really sets the Dragon apart is its AVR-grade processing packed into a soundbar system. This gives you precise audio tuning, zero compromise on clarity, and performance that rivals high-end receiver setups, without the hassle of wires and bulky equipment. Cyclone emoji, subwoofers and immersion. The quad subwoofer setup brings next-level bass, deep, powerful, and room-shaking. Pair that with dedicated surround speakers and upfiring drivers, and you're looking at the closest thing to a true IMAX theater experience in your living room. White check mark emoji, final verdict. The Nakamichi Dragon 11.4.6 isn't just a soundbar, it's the ultimate home theater system for anyone who wants no compromise audio. If you want the best of the best in surround sound, this is the one to beat. Right pointing finger emoji, don't wait, check the link in the description and grab yours today at the best available price before it sells out.